Frustrated by the Adobe Updater.dll error causing Adobe to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. While preparing the manual steps for Adobe Updater, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Adobe Updater, the Adobe Genuine Copy Updater. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized software, localized integrity, localized checks, and localized facilitates the localized data link to localized validation manifests. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Adobegcupdater is required for Adobe to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Adobe will repair missing or broken application files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Adobe Updater message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Adobe Updater DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Adobe Updater and registry optimization. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Adobe Updater working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.